name is Eric Marquez. I've been here over 13 years. I'm a fleet manager. We have over 130 vehicles in the fleet. We're running 7 teams, and we have a total of 10 rigs. When we started doing business with AST, we were looking for something more reliable, something more dependable. The company was very observant to our needs. There's a lot of things that are standard, but our machines are custom built to our specs. They're very intuitive in regards to what we find. So they're paying a lot of attention to the feedback that we give them, which is great. That's one of the reasons why we've actually stuck with them, because they're looking for things that they can improve on. And that's what we're looking for in a machine too, something that was user-friendly, reliable, dependable. The maintenance is easy to do, and at the same time that keeps them back on the road. My tip is if you run into an issue, call AST. They're very reasonable, they're very accessible, willing to listen to the problem and help you. It's a sense of comfort where you call and you say, hey, I have this issue, can you point me in the right direction? The machine's a great machine, very powerful, reliable, easy to work on, and it's a good bang for its buck.